Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You're all very welcome to the round room or the pillar room of the Rotunda Hospital, a place steeped in the history of Dublin and a place steeped in the history of this country. My name is Charlie Bird. I'm the chairman for today's proceedings. I was asked last week if I would chair this gathering. I was asked by somebody who I couldn't say no to, but I was more than happy to be here this morning. In a way, I'm a child of the 60s. I remember Selma. I remember the civil rights marches in Ireland, in America. I remember the anti-apartheid movement in Ireland. But one of the first jobs I had, one of the people I worked with, this young man struggled every day with his sexuality. After a number of years, he eventually came out. This was around the mid-70s. Remember, this was 20 years before homosexuality was decriminalized in this country. But I believe that we have taken a great journey, that we have moved on. And today is evidence of that. This is, for me, a bottom-up campaign. This is the people looking for marriage equality. And it has come from the Constitutional Convention. It's not about any one organization, not about any one group of people. And by looking across the sea of faces here today, it is really important. You can just see the numbers of people from civil society, all the political parties, every single one of the political parties in Ireland are here today. Many, many organizations, trade union groups, women's groups, people with allegiances to different churches, they are all here today. For me, it is just simple. Two people who love one another should have the right to get married, regardless of their sexuality. Lesbian or gay. So if we just remember one thing, it's that the sky's not going to fall in. It's not going to fall in. And on the 22nd of May, I'm convinced that Ireland has definitely grown up. It has moved on. The arc of history has moved on. In 1973, just remember, in 1973, when a woman got married, she had to give up her job in the civil service. People forget that. We have moved on, and I believe that there is an innate goodness and kindness and honesty in the Irish people, and that is what is going to win this day. Mammies are really important. So it's not just for the couples, it is also for their friends and for their families, for mothers and fathers and uncles and aunties. And we all know someone, every single one of us, not just the people who are in this room, who are committed in many ways, but outside in the broader community. We all know somebody. So I say a yes vote on the 22nd of May.